Thank you for your attention. I want to present my article of the title Distance Learning Evaluation with the CIPP Model. My name is Darul Prayogo. Introduction, my article in the number 1 is the information technology based learning has met the demand of millennial generation and 4.0 era. Number 2, the Merchant Marine Polytechnic or Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang is the boarding school. And then number 3, implementing the distance learning for the first time in Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang. Number 4, this research aim at analyzing the implementation of distance learning at the Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang. Formulation of the problem in the number 1. What the hypothetical management model for distance learning based on CIPP. CIPP is context, input, process, and product at the Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang. In the number 2, what is the effectiveness of the management model of distance learning at the Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang? Research purpose in the number 1, to analyze the management of the CIPP based on context, input, process, and product in the Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang. And the number 2, to analyze the management effectiveness of the CIPP model based on the component context, input, process, and product. Literature review of evaluation from the Scriven, Owen, Grunlund, Wheatstone, Tyler is the systematic process that is carried out on ongoing basis. I'm fine to find data and information about the achievement of the goal set, which are used recommendation in decision making who prepare our choices. And then literature review CIPP from Staffel-Beam is the main purpose of the evaluation is not to prove, but to find steps to improve the program. Research method, location in Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang from May 2020 until July 2020. Research design of CIPP model from Staffel-Beam. Sources data from lecture and instructor, and technique and instrument observation, documentation, questionnaire, and interview. Validity, the correlation used is above 0.30 from nullity. And then reliability coefficient of 0.70 can be used for research purpose from Reimers et al. And then result and discussion from the distance learning evaluated with the CIPP model at the Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang. Descriptive statistic from component context, input, process, product, minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation you can show on the screen. These data sources processes by primary data 2020. And then the lecturer and instructor evaluated based on context component. Their data from component context is good from 81.40% in category good from component context. And then from component input, the description of distance learning based on input component is 72.09% in category good from input component. And then the lecturer and instructor evaluated based on process component is 95.35% in category good. And the last component, the lecturer or instructor evaluated based on product component in 83.72% in category good, the description of distance learning. And then conclusion of my article, the distance learning implementation, a success at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic or Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang using the CIPP model was good with the main percentage of 83.14%, and you can see the total and mean the component context, input, process, and product you can show on the screen. This is sources the processed primary data from 2020 primary data. This is in category good. And thank you for your attention and good morning for all. Thank you.